Good morning children. In last video of class 6 chemistry, I have explained you chapter 1 Introduction to Chemistry. The same chapter I will continue in this video. In the last video I explained you what is chemistry, what is science, what is alchemist and the contribution of various scientists to chemistry. In this video I will tell you the importance of chemistry. Importance of chemistry. Chapter 1. Chemistry is of vital importance and play a fundamental role in all aspects of life. Chemistry play a important role in our daily life. The human activities performed in everyday life directly or indirectly depend on the application of chemistry. Chemical processes take place to produce numerous useful substances. The one, food and agriculture. Chemistry help in food and agriculture also. Development and applications of new techniques has increased crop yield and provided ways to produce diseases-free crop. First, fertilizers. They are the chemicals which provide nutrients required by crops for a proper growth. What is fertilizers? They are the chemicals which provide nutrients required by crops for a proper growth. Example, urea, sodium nitrate, potassium and ammonium phosphate. Pesticide. Chemical used to kill pests which affects the crop production and growth of fruits. Example, adrin, maltation and periton. Insecticides. Chemical used to kill insects. Example, benzene, hexachloride. Short form is BHC. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Short form is DDT and carbaryl. They all are insecticide which is used to kill insects. Fungicides. Chemical used to prevent crop from being affected by fungi. Example, sulfur and calcium. Preservatives. What are preservatives? Chemical used to preserve food and control the wastage of food. So, the chemical which used to preserve food and control the wastage of food are called preservatives. Sodium. Examples of preservatives are sodium benzoate, which is used to preserve food items. Example, salads and beverage, etc. Sugar, salts and vinegar is also used to preserve food. Sorbic acid and its sodium and potassium salts are used for preservation of dairy products, fish and seafoods, etc. What is food processing? The process of transforming raw food materials by physical or chemical method into marketable food products. What is food processing? The process of transforming raw food materials by physical or chemical methods into marketable food products. Processed food. What are processed food? These food products are made suitable for consumption, cooking or storage and are called processed food. For example, cheese, bread. These all are called processed food. We can cook easily, we can store easily. Cosmetics and chemistry. Chemistry helps in cosmetics also. You know, cosmetics are made up of different types of chemicals. So what are cosmetics? Substances or products used to enhance the appearance of external parts of the human body is called cosmetics. What are cosmetics? Again I am repeating. Substances or products used to enhance the appearance of external parts of the human body. Example, lipstick, lotion and etc. There are so many cosmetics. Chemistry plays a significant role in the development of these cosmetics. All the cosmetics are made from combination of various chemical ingredients. Pigments or colors and skin softeners are called emollients. Pigments or color and skin softeners are called emollients. Chemistry also helps in clothing. Chemistry is widely used in the textile industry, which manufactures clothes to meet our requirement. Chemistry in the textile industry involves the knowledge of both natural and synthetic fibers. The fibers which we get from nature are called natural fibers like cotton, jute, wool and silk. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers like nylon, rayon and terylene. They are strong, wrinkle resistant and dry quickly. Manufacturing of clothes involves transformation of fibers into fabric. Chemistry also helps in medicines for preparing different types of drugs. The knowledge of chemistry has helped us in discovering a vast range of new medicines. Day by day, daily life, different types of medicines are prepared with the help of chemistry only. Antibiotics such as penicillin and ampicillin are used to treat infection. Aspirin and paracetamol used to treat fever. So we can say that chemistry plays the most significant role in the development of drugs. Chemicals in industries. Chemistry has contributed to the development of different industries. Chemistry also helps in industries like we are using daily different types of alloys, paints. They all are preparing industries and they are made up of different types of chemicals. Chemicals are used to make different products in various industries. Example like alloys, synthetic fiber, etc. So we can say chemicals playing an important role in our daily life. This is all our importance of chemistry. Now, students, you have to do some homework which I am giving to you. The first question is, what is cosmetics? Give example. What is fungicides? Give example. And you have to write down the full form of BHC and DDT. Thank you.